go. Epic battle scene between Wolverine and... Oh!
He's not the real one! You lie! You're a liar!
Good view. And this one records sound. Oh! Ow! That's gotta hurt!
Oh God!
He's got a long range!
She's squealing.
Oh! He's gonna use it against her! Oh! I don't want to get too close to this edge, I'm afraid of falling off. And this isn't my camera.
Ha! I'm hidden, you can't.
This is quite amusing, actually. And the winner is Michelle. How does Wolverine feel about this?
Disappointed.
Aw, poor Muffin.